Hi everybody, welcome back to another game video. Today we are playing some more Minecraft. Everybody told me to make Minecraft, so let's go play some Minecraft. Okay, I got everything set up, I just need to find Minecraft. I found it where it is. I need to find it quick. Somewhere like here, somewhere. It's not. Okay. So, everybody told me to play Minecraft, but I can't see it. Where is it? Okay, gaming. So over here, it's Minecraft. So, I'm gonna play it. And then we're gonna play this, and I think you are gonna love this Minecraft because I think it's nice. And okay. So here's Minecraft, but there's some stuff here. Okay, so we are playing Minecraft today. So all you gotta do is just subscribe, okay? Man, just subscribe. Just punch that subscribe button. That's all you do. Just hit the subscribe button. If you don't, do it, okay? Okay, we're on Minecraft now. Now we just need to start a new world. My name is Sib. Survival mode. Let's go in this level. Just wait a little bit. That's all. Alright. We're on this level now. Let's get some wood. It's a little bit laggy, that is strange. I want it normal, please. Cow moo. Okay. I need to get some wood, yeah, because I have to pay. Yeah, just break that there. How much wood do I need? Okay. That's how much wood I need. Okay, I'm just gonna plop that there. Get some wood. Sticks, crafting table, and make our house. Also, I forget, but I need some wheats for my farm. And it looks strange. Looks kind of strange. I need boots. I mean, how do I start the video? And then it will stop. It will stop. Then I have the video. So I'm gonna get some wheat here, just to make my farm look nice. Okay, where can I make this? I need a sword. An axe as well. Sword here. Now we just need to break this. And we gotta get some food really quick. Hello? Can I punch you out the now? A nasty sword attacker. Why is it so laggy when I jump? I think I must stop jumping. Ow. I just need a decoration for my house. That's all. Decoration. Okay, maybe we can just clear out this path and then we can make our house. Right over here. It's getting bedtime, that is not good. I just need to put this on preschool mode. There we go. And a decoration. And I just need to move all of these. Wow. Oh, there's some decorations. Yeah, beautiful. I think right here will be a good place. So all I need to do is do something. What could I do? I need more wood, but the same wood. All I gotta do is just, get some stuff right here. Or can I go mining? I think I'm gonna go mining. I need a shovel to go mining, but I also need a pickaxe. What happens if you don't have a pickaxe and then you say, I want rocks? Then you take a shovel and then, bam, it's done. That was weird. That'll be weird. Okay. We're all ready to go. I just need to put these here, put that there. Okay. Just break some dirt. There's some rocks. Let's break these. Just need to break all of these dirt. Okay, I think we found some rocks here. Let's dig. Okay, we can. I never played Minecraft in my life, guys. I waited so long to play Minecraft. I know how to play Minecraft because I watched somebody play Minecraft on survival mode. And he had an enchantment table because he had diamonds. Okay. So all I need to do is just make furnace. There's a cool thing to put wood and then it will burn. So what I'm gonna do is just put these here. I need to get some more notations. Do you know that? Like wood, cobblestone, iron, lapis, diamonds, coal. I need all of those. We need loads of wood. Right. Thank you. I want to make a grey bed. That'll be awesome. I think there's no grey bed here. Grey stuff here. We got loads of wood and now we just got 5 meats here. All we gotta do is pick up that meat. Get wool as well. No, I lost my wool. That's dumb. Back. There we go. So it will burn quicker, be quicker, and then it's just gonna burn, that's all. I need a decoration. I think I don't need some food, I just go on easy, I think. Okay, So what we gotta do is just get some coal, then it will go faster, quicker, faster, and quicker, and quicker. So all I gotta do is just mine down a little bit. Then we can find some coal around here. Okay. Build stuff. Make stuff with that coal. I think I can't find any coal, guys. Let's make a little staircase up here. We know we've gone. Keep wooden shovel. Okay, that's all mine there. I think I'm getting hungry a little bit. See my food? No wait, my food. Oh, it's done. Thank you. I appreciated my place. Just gonna bring stuff here. There we go. I'm the first YouTube guy I've ever seen in my life, but I think it's cool because I can use everything, like in Minecraft. Looks super awesome, I can't believe it. Okay, now we start off making some doors. So, what we're gonna do is make 3 here, then 3 here. Cool! Why do we have 3 doors? We don't want 3 doors. Oh, let's make that. Yep. Okay, good. Doors here. Don't worry guys, we've got enough wood to do it. We've got loads of wood here. Wow. I think we are almost done with our house. We just need to make a roof. And we need glass. How am I gonna get glass? Need more wood. I'm running out of freaking wood now. Need more wood. I need more wood. We're just getting some more wood here. Somebody's going upstairs. Don't worry, it's fine. Someone's just going upstairs. Okay. So we're just getting some more wood. Just more. I think when I finish my house, I think we need to end this video here. Oh wow, we got a whole stack. Cool. Cool, we got a whole stack. Cementy wood. Wow. My axe is almost done. I think I need a cobblestone axe. I have enough cobblestone to make a cobblestone axe. I think I need to make some sticks quickly. Got sticks. Build them. There we go. Axe now. Just pulled away from this. I have enough wood. Don't worry. Just got a little bit of wood here. Oh crap!